Wagwan everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Fashionable, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. So here what. And today's video was sponsored by Keswigs, and in the packaging I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. Now look at this right here, our ear iron, 2-in-1. Alright, cool. It's a one and a crimper at the same time. And here we have Omi. She is a 24-inch, 13x6 real HD lace frontal kinky curly wig with a density of 180, and her ear color is natural black. She came pre-plucked, and inside you have 4-way combs and adjustable straps. But with Keswigs, you have a larger parting space, as you can see, so you can go on with yourself by giving yourself some. Look at their lace. Get into it. The difference is that this is very thin and this is more on the thicker side, you know. Turn sideways too, and the hairline is very natural, yeah. And this right here is a 13x4, and this is true to size. You know, you can be able to do a few styling in it. So guys, I'm not gonna wait until the end of the video to talk about this wig because I need to elaborate more on it. And what you can expect from this wig is that the density is on point. The size is very accurate. Yes, it is true to size, and the lace is extremely thin, so it will definitely lay flat on your head. And Keswigs pricing is great for a top-notch wig. And if you use my code, you can save yourself $150 off when purchasing. Showing you the parting space and how versatile it can be.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have.
So I will be doing a side part and also giving you a braided look as well.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, like don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play, right around talk to me. Oh, I got that.
And for this video, I guess you can say it is called a parting segment. Yes, okay. And this is a completed look. Guys, if you are interested in her, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.